and when the insurance company is paying, they are paying a certain ceiling, and this is it. And they are that if you want, you can give Cadillac, and this is your choice. But we have this price range here, and this price range covers a Chevy or equivalent.
Mm-hmm.
So obviously, to run the business, running it on a negative process is a little difficult in pretty much all the cases. The product is obviously approved by the insurance, so there is no doubt that it's a substandard product because it came from the same criteria. The rest of the features and added things and added quality, as I said, there are two options at that time. One is that we check and we present the option that if someone wants to go with an upgraded product, insurance company is willing to take part, and this is your remainder of the payment. In some cases, insurance companies do not. They said either you dispense this product or you cannot really ask for extra money to compensate for the upgrade. So in this case, some patients just literally remove the insurance from the deal. That is exactly true. That is exactly true. And as I said, it becomes interesting conflict of interest for us because I mean sometimes we see like different beneficiaries, different patients. We sometimes feel an urge to offer them something which is slightly upgraded in a sense, meaning um I mean, like if I see something like I say, well, you know what, I mean, the product is approved, the one which you will get through your insurance plan, but the time of usage which you're telling me, this is slightly more than government was thinking when they were designing this payment plan.
Mm-hmm.
And your case is slightly unique, so in this case I would probably recommend that you go with this product. But again, it becomes a conflict of interest, or at least it's presumed as conflict of interest, where I say that, you know what, I recommend that in this one case you just basically pay out of your pocket instead of getting something which is not 100% fitting, with your
Mm-hmm.
needs.
Okay.
Uh, okay, so walkers, and then we are moving to four-wheeled walkers. So people commonly, like, I mean, like whenever someone asks for a four-wheeled walker, the terminology is a rollator. So then it becomes a rollator. As you see, rollators actually become a little fun part because looks like to me that manufacturers, they do spend some research in the cane world. They don't really do a lot of fancy stuff in walkers commonly, but then I immediately see that rollators becomes a very interesting and a sort of a very personal kind of choice. Same rules apply here because all of these rollators, there are different factors which needs to be seen. You are seeing a few of them here. Some design elements are different. The one to the left, actually, this cherry kind of finish. This is one of those very cool ones, and this one is a like an in-house rollator only because it's hand polished and all that kind of stuff. I love this product when I touched it, but again, that's one thing which should not be taken outside in the weather. That's why it has a food plate instead of a storage. But rollators, several factors. The locking and unlocking of the braking system, very important.